Hi, my name's Tom. I'm 23. I'm currently in final year at university at Birmingham City doing sound engineering, and this is a bit about my life story. Life for me has always been outdoors, doing stupid adventures on the bike, mountain biking, road bike, gravel bike. This would be multi-day adventures, mountain biking, sending the biggest jumps we could find. As you can see, it looks a bit different now. So on the 6th of December 2023, I had a cycling accident. I was riding home from work and crashed into the back of a parked lorry. This is where I broke my back, where I promptly had emergency surgery to try and stabilise the spine, but this left me paralysed from T5 permanently. So this is one of my bikes that I broke, and this is the bike that broke me. So when the accident happened, I was on a placement year with a company called Holoviz. At this company I was doing audio-visual design for themed entertainment. So once the accident happened, I then spent 1 month in hospital, followed by 1 month in rehab. After this I came home, and that was where learning to live again started. Life at home meant getting one of these, which works pretty well, but it means I can get back upstairs and live in my bedroom and upstairs bathroom again, which is always nice. Sport looks a bit different now, so I'm hand cycling, which is a bit weird because I spent my whole life training my legs and now I'm using my arms. But I'm also doing para-kayaking, which is still water, 200 metre sprint. And of course the aim is LA 2028 Paralympics. So there's one sport I haven't talked about, and that's mountain biking. This was the sport that I started cycling with, and it's what we do as a family, friends, doing stupid things, and it's the one sport that I haven't been able to regain back in my life. That's doing bikepacking trips, massive jumps when we can find them, crashing, and yeah, it's the one sport that I've missed probably the most. You may follow and have seen a guy called Martin Ashton, who has a similar injury to me, and he rides an adapted mountain bike called a Bowhead. The Bowhead is an adapted mountain bike with 2 wheels at the front, 1 wheel at the rear. This enables para-athletes to ride a mountain bike like they used to. So when I was on the demo day, I felt freedom that I hadn't felt since my accident. This was just the ability to ride with family and the team at Adaptive Sports. Then it was freedom that I haven't felt since. So I've been dreaming of getting one ever since. So the only reason I haven't got one of these yet is the total cost. The base price of these are already expensive, and with my specific requirements this increases the price even more. We found out my requirements at the end of the test day on the Bowhead, where we finished and I looked down and there was pools of blood from skin in my ankles, and this took 4 months to heal. This is something I can't risk on my own bike, as the lasting damage would just be too much and cause me significant issues in the future. There's ways to prevent this, and this is with extras of padding and support that Bowhead supply, but these come at an extra cost. So we've come to the reason of why I've made this video, and this is because over the last year lots of people have offered help, and almost always I've gone, I'm fine, but this is the one thing that I need help with, and I can't afford it on my own. And if I tried to, it'd be many years of me waiting and trying to save all my student loan that doesn't go very far. It's never nice to ask for money, but I've come to a realisation that I can't do this on my own. If you're someone that's asked how they can help in the last year and I've said I'm fine, then this is a way that you can help. If you've got a couple pounds to add to Tom's Bowhead fund, it would go such a long way. Or even better, if you've got super rich friends, send this to them and they can help out. Hopefully by watching this video you've seen that actually, although it was a life-changing accident, life's carried on and life's been amazing, and hopefully the future will carry on as the way it is. So thanks for watching.